In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import SVGAI graphics as decals in Adobe Dimension. If you've ever wanted to place a logo, label, or simple artwork onto a 3D object without changing its base material, decals are the perfect solution. Think of a decal like a sticker that sits on top of your model's surface, keeping the original texture and lighting intact. First, make sure you're working in Dimension, and that the object you want to decorate is selected in the Scene panel. The Scene panel lists every model and part in your project, so click the specific object or sub-object you want to receive the decal. This tells Dimension exactly where to place your graphic and prevents the decal from landing on the wrong model. Next, head to the top menu and choose File, then Import, and then Place Graphic as Decal. This option is important because you're explicitly telling Dimension to apply the graphic as a decal layer rather than baking it into a material. Decals are non-destructive and easy to tweak, so you can move, resize, or remove them at any time without affecting the rest of your design. When the file browser opens, pick the artwork you want to use. You can choose SVG or AI files if you want crisp, infinitely scalable vector graphics, or PNG and JPG if your artwork is raster-based. For the cleanest edges and overlays, a graphic with a transparent background, like an SVG or a PNG with transparency, works especially well. If you're bringing in a photo or flattened image, just keep in mind that any solid background in that file will show up on your model. Once you select the file, the graphic appears on your model as its own decal layer. You'll see on-canvas controls you can use to position and size the decal. Drag it to the exact spot you want. Use the corner handles to scale it up or down, and rotate it so it aligns with your design. Decals conform to curved and flat surfaces, so they'll wrap nicely around bottles, boxes, or any geometry you've selected. If the decal looks stretched, adjust the scale or move it slightly so it follows the surface in a more natural way. That's all there is to it. By selecting the target object, importing with Place Graphic as Decal, choosing the right file, and then positioning and sizing on the surface, you can add professional-looking graphics to your 3D models quickly and non-destructively. Give it a try with different formats and see how your design comes to life.